Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today we are together again. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. We are happy you are here with us today.
Yes, very happy. Today we talk about something very important.
Yes, we talk about time and date.
Time and date are part of daily life,
We use time and date every day.
but many beginners feel scared.
They feel confused.
They think English time is hard.
But it is not hard.
Not hard. You can do this.
Yes, you can do this.
Think about your day.
You wake up in the morning.
You eat food.
You go to work or school.
You meet people.
You ask questions.
You say things like when.
You say things like what time.
That is time.
And date is day.
Date is today.
Date is tomorrow.
Date is yesterday.
Many learners say wrong words.
Or they feel shy to speak.
Today, we help you.
Slowly.
Calmly.
With many repeats.
With real-life examples.
So relax.
Take a breath.
Smile.
Learning is friendly here.
Let us start with a simple problem.
Imagine this.
You meet a friend.
The friend asks a question.
The friend says, "When is your class?"
You know the answer.
But English words stop you.
Your mind goes blank.
Your heart feels fast.
You say nothing.
This happens to many people.
Yes, many beginners.
Today, we fix this.
Step by step.
First, we talk about time.
Time means clock time.
Time like morning.
Time like night.
Time like 5 o'clock.
Let us start very simple.
Repeat after me.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning is early day.
When the sun comes up.
Morning is not night.
Morning is morning.
Good.
Now, afternoon.
Afternoon.
Afternoon is after morning.
After lunch.
Not night.
Afternoon.
Evening.
Evening.
Evening is before night.
When the sun goes down.
Night.
Night.
Night is dark.
Night is late.
Good job.
You are doing well.
Now, clock time.
Clock time uses numbers.
1 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
We say o'clock.
Repeat after me.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock.
Very good.
What time is it?
This is a question.
Repeat after me.
What time is it?
What time is it?
Good.
Answer is simple.
It is 5 o'clock.
Repeat.
It is 5 o'clock.
Nice.
Let us practice more.
I ask,
You listen.
what time is it?
It is 6 o'clock.
Again.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
Very nice.
Now we add morning and night.
In English, we say AM and PM.
Do not worry. Very simple.
AM is morning.
PM is afternoon and night.
Repeat.
AM.
AM.
PM.
PM.
Example time.
8 a.m.
Morning.
8 p.m.
Night. Not this,
8 p.m. is not morning.
but this.
8 a.m. is morning.
Good.
Now dates.
Date is today.
Today is now.
Repeat after me.
Today.
Today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Simple.
Today I am here.
Yesterday I was here.
Tomorrow I will be here.
You hear the pattern?
Do not think too much. Just listen and repeat.
Now days of the week.
Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great.
Today is Monday.
Or Today is Friday.
You can say this.
Repeat after me.
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
Good.
Now, months.
January,
February,
March,
April,
May,
June,
July,
August,
September,
October,
November.
December.
Slow is okay.
You can pause.
Real life time now.
Conversation time.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Paul.
What time is the meeting?
It is at 10 a.m.
10 a.m.?
Yes, morning.
What day is it?
It is Tuesday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Again.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Paul.
What time is your class?
It is at 6 p.m.
Evening.
Yes, evening.
Good.
Now, common mistakes.
Mistake 1.
People say, what time now?
Not this.
But this.
What time is it?
Repeat.
What time is it?
Good.
Mistake 2.
People say, today is Monday morning p.m.
Too many words.
Not this.
But this.
Today is Monday morning.
Or today is Monday evening.
Clear and simple.
Mistake 3.
People say, yesterday is tomorrow.
That is wrong.
Yesterday is past.
Tomorrow is future.
Remember this.
Past, yesterday.
Now, today.
Future, tomorrow.
Nice.
Let us repeat everything.
Time words.
Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Clock words.
O'clock, a.m., p.m.
Date words.
Today, yesterday, tomorrow.
Days.
Monday to Sunday.
You learned a lot.
Be proud.
You can speak.
You can ask.
You can answer.
Slowly is fine.
Mistakes are okay.
We are here with you.
Practice today.
Practice tomorrow.
English grows with time.
Time by time.
Thank you for listening.
Keep learning.
See you soon.
Bye for now.